Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in business sentiment, with a score of plus 0.042 and a momentum of plus 0.076. This isn't just a minor uptick. It's above the historical baseline, indicating a shift in sentiment that we haven't observed in recent weeks. Our API provides you with detailed insights into this sentiment, including 20 semantic clusters that reveal what's driving the conversation. Imagine you're building a dashboard to track business sentiment over time. This data can help you identify trends and make informed decisions about investments or strategic pivots. For more details on how to leverage this API, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Dive into the data and see what insights you can uncover.